Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and this video is trying to help out a gun engraver that engraves on guns. Now, first for him, all the graphics that you sent me weren't vector. This is a vector file. And then I just started looking at it. It's basically identical through the center, so this didn't really kind of help us, but you'll get the idea of how I'm going to do it. Matter of fact, let's the top and the bottom are different. So let's rotate this guy 90 degrees. So the graphic will look different on both sides. He wants the graphic on both sides of the gun to be like a mirror image. So I've hit P and put this in the center of the page. I'm going to hit P, put this in the center of the page. This thing is just shy of 15, so I've set my nudge factor on 16. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and just nudge it over once. Now I'm going to take that one and mirror it. Now the bigger part of the barrel part of the gun is over here, the smaller part is over here. So if we take both these and use the intersect tool and put that up there and use this one so it's the exact opposite of it, I'm thinking, I'm not 100% sure this is what he's wanting to do. But if you look at it and then we flip this one back, well, you wouldn't, because the gun's going to be going one direction in one way and one in the other. But the barrel, or the smaller part, I'm thinking this is the recoil. I'm not a gun person too much, is the same. I'm hoping that's what he wanted. It'd be better if I had another clip art that was a little bit different. But that's pretty cool. And then you could engrave that. Now, when I did that, just kind of think about when I moved that nudge out of the way, you lost your red lines. So let's nudge that out of the way. Now you have your red lines. I'm sure you're going to have to use red lines for matching this thing up to the gun and running some tests, because you can always move that out of the way, and have your graphic, put your gun in there and run your red dot pointer with that red line. Matter of fact, at this point, you could change your nudge factor to something lower. This thing is like 3 inches. So we could take this and you could run just the opposite really. You'd have that there, run your test, and then move your graphic into there and actually move the red dot. Well, the hairline shouldn't engrave anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But that's if I'm understanding him, that's what he wanted to do, then that would be the way I would do it. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.